I'm superstar. I'm with Tiffany.
Yes, I'm a superstar. We are Tiffany, so I make my own money.
Yeah, girl.
Ever think of doing porn?
Every single day.
Not professionally.
Nah, just in the heat of the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dye my hair black since I was 18 years old. I don't see myself without the hair color, but I would like to wear a wig that is blonde. The boobs and the new body very close to be revealed, and everyone's gonna see, but it's gonna have a big extraordinary surprise. Okay. Wait. Has the money that I borrowed from Erickee and I paid, plus the new surgery. You think that's light, but it's the price for a brand new car. Okay. Like now working in digital marketing and everything's my dream job, but I never thought that you'll do that. I can work remotely with my social media, so this is great. I don't think anything anymore. Wilson, he is my friend for more than 10 years em Brazil. Follow him. Ele é meu amigo desde o Brasil, gente, mais de 10 anos. Sigam ele. All the plastic surgery, you will feel pain. Some techniques are less painful, another you feel more discomfort, but you have painkillers to help you go through. Painkillers is not that ones that's super strong and you can get addicted. It's the okay ones. It's safe. You take it and you feel better. I am someone very strong for pain, but is a discomfort, it's something that everything that involves muscle, it's a little bit painful. Sim, o Eric tem muita vontade de ir pro Brasil, é louco pra ir pro Brasil, sempre tá me pedindo, falando com meu pai que quer ir. Ele tá muito obcecado pelo Brasil, esse menino. But I disagree, because if you have any complication, I will pay the double to fix. So I prefer do the here in Las Vegas with the best plastic surgeon and be safe in my post-operation process. Plus, if I went to Miami, I'll pay hotel, a lot of things. I prefer do here, and I did a great choice. Tattoo in my arm say discipline is freedom. Okay, when you are independent, you have freedom. Compassion is straightness, and heavy courage is having kindness. So this is what I believe in, and I decided to put it here. But if I have a chance, I will erase it because I don't know. I'm tired to just to have fat transfer, but I always had a big butt, like you guys always saw in my pictures. But I wanted more round, and if I was take away the fat, why not put there, right? Need to watch the show Sunday to find out double D or triple D. Maria don't mind if you're working till 3. Sharia don't mind if you take off your clothes. To dye my hair blue, yellow, green, pinky, but I feel it's pretty in other people. I feel like, oh, it's so pretty. What to do for a living? Maybe it's that, laying in the chair all day. This is for the cat, do not go to his chair. I don't know who is Lucky Brian is, but yeah, you take a 30 and I'll let you know later, okay? I can't talk bad words here because I have a lot of young people that follow me, so I have a great responsibility. But this video has a lot of bad words, like I never in my life, very dirty, very very dirty, very crazy. I like it, but I would not listen with my parents. Really thought that was funny. What's funny? Erickee like to talk in charades, like this way of his talk. It's very unique. Things that I like about myself is that I can overcome any obstacles in my life, and I'm very blessed, and I have a great sense of humor. Às vezes não tem como eu ficar postando inglês e português, ou como agora, falando inglês e português, é muito trabalho. Eu também trabalho fora do Instagram, entendeu? Então, quando eu tenho um tempo que eu venho pra cá bater papo. I can't give spoilers of the show. So, me waiting the show air, show the booby job, the nose job, then I can talk about it. I'm a heartbreak beat. Yeah, all night long. And nobody don't dance on the edge of the dark. We got a radio. And feels like love, but it don't mean a lot. And feels like love, and that's all we got. There's a heartbreak beat play all night long down my street. And feels like love got the radio on, and it's all we need.